How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be for me and Mr. BG's group build. Mr. BG, Brian, y'all all know him. He's already made his video, but before I get this video started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you ain't a subscriber, it's free. So, with that being said, alright, Mr. BG approached me here a while back. He did a video on stocking stuffers. And, you know, he's got a few 132 scale, you know, cars and stuff, small scale cars. And I got a ton of them. This ain't even all of them. This is just some I put out here for ideas. And I told him, I said, that would be a good group build. And he approached me and said, would you like to co-host a group build with him on small scale kits? And, well, yes, I had to. You know, I couldn't resist. If y'all all know, Brian, Mr. BG, he's part of that Arizona Mafia. And if y'all don't know who the Arizona Mafia is, well, you best beware. Let me tell you, I know you've heard of the New York Mafia, and you've heard of the Mafia that runs Vegas. Well, they have nothing compared to this Arizona Mafia. The Arizona Mafia consists of Brian, Lucas C., James, Louis Myers, Andy. I mean, there's a ton of them out there, you know, and you don't want to cross them guys. I'm going to tell you right now, they all set up shop and run their business or their organization out of Andy's hobby headquarters, if y'all didn't know that. And yeah, old Luca, he's the second in command, and O'Brien, he's their henchman. O'Brien, I tell you what, he's the one that collects the money, the models, and he'll break legs. So, you know, when he asked me to be a part of this, you know, I couldn't refuse. I don't want my legs broke. LOL. Alright, with that being said, guys, no, that's all a great group of guys. You got James Tester, you got a bunch of them out there, you know, as part of that Arizona model. All excellent model builders. I mean, they're just the best. With that being said, alright, this group build is going to go from February 1st to the 28th because it's the smallest month, the smallest scales. You can, the scales will go from, I think it was 32 scale all the way down to, I think there's 46 scale or something. I'm not for sure. But, you know, 35th scale. Now, the thing about the 35th scale, for you military guys, we want y'all to get in it too, but we don't want, like, military vehicles. See this kit right here? This is a Bronco. It's a military. This is a civilian kit. There's lots of civilian kits out there by ICM. Bronco, I think Rodin, bunch of them. I mean, there's all kinds of kits. You can get trucks, buses, civilian cars like that, and there is a Fiat Topolini or whatever. It even comes with the lady and the dog, and this is a highly detailed kit. It has engine, it has everything. All them ICM kits, they are very detailed. So, you know, y'all could build something like that, or even a Kuba wagon, you know, a Jeep, just as long as it's not like a tank and armor and planes and stuff. We want to keep it strictly automobiles or transportation related. For you truck guys, there's like this right here. This is a Intex kit, which has been rebranded under other things too. But they also have, I have a Revell or Monogram. I can't remember. It might be either one. But they have transporter kits, they have truck kits, you know, of course, you know, I'm not for sure. AMT, I think, had the little 143 scale in the trucks. There's something out there for everybody. They have, you can get Matchbox race car kits, you can Japanese kits. Here's a little Isuzu right here. You got American cars, you know, AMT, Revell, MPC, Lindbergh. You know, looky here. You got these little mini Lindy's. These are 143rd scale, 132 scale. Here's Airfix, you know. This is a MPC Jaguar, which is technically, this was an Airfix kit too, which just got released re-released. You got this right here, which was an original Airfix kit. They did it under MPC. You got the Lindberghs, you got mini Lindy's. Here's a Lindbergh, this is 40 Ford. There's all kinds of kits, guys. There's Jaguar right here by Aurora. You got your Pyro. What is this? This is a Chrysler Roadster. You got your Highway Pioneers. What is that one there? That's a 1907 Renault. You got a Hunt Mobile over there, 1909. Guys, there's plenty of kits out there that can be built, so me and Brian would really love it if you would join in on this group build. And 132 scale kits for the majority are cheap. You can get on eBay. You can get pretty much anywhere right now and buy one fairly cheap. Some of them's got a lot of detail. Some of them have very few detail. But it'll be a fun, quick build, and we would love for y'all's participation. Well, with that being said, like I said, this is my kickoff. Brian already did his video. The description will be below. I will have the description for Brian's kickoff video. And anybody I mentioned, I'll probably have a description below for all them guys. Go check them out. Support our model community. And this will be a fun group build. And I hope to see you. Alright, thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.